Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to the class. എല്ലാവർക്കും എൻ്റെ very good evening and welcome to the session of 8 o'clock which we are going to do. So ഇന്ന് നമ്മുടെ പരിപാടി എന്താണെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ today I'm going to do some questions from triangles exercise 7.1 sixth question ആണ് ഞാൻ ഇപ്പോൾ ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത്. So the question goes like, I hope everybody has your textbooks because എൻ്റെ സൗണ്ട് ഇത്തിരി പോയിരിക്കുകയാണ്, so I can't write. I'm not going to write the question because it is not necessary to write the questions because everybody has the textbook. So the given I'll read the question after writing the given. Okay, and the figure is like okay. The question is, line L is the bisector of angle A. So L is bisected by angle A here. So L is a bisector of angle A. Then and B is any point on line L. BP and BQ are perpendiculars from B to the arms of angle A. From the arms of angle A. So this angle and this angle are perpendiculars. We are given that L is the bisector of angle A, which means L is the bisector means this is equal 1 and 2. Alle. First explanation in English, then we will do Malayalam. Here, proof. In triangle, AQB. So we have to prove APB and AQB, right? AQB, APB. Right? Isn't it? Also, light's not here. Sorry. A mistake. Angle Q equal to angle P. This is angle, this is Q, this is P. Oh, I drew P here. Sorry. Okay. Okay. മക്കളെ ഇവിടെ നോക്കാം. What we have to prove is that this triangle is equal to this triangle. Eh? അപ്പം നമ്മുടെ ഈ ട്രയാങ്കിൾ ഉണ്ടല്ലോ, ഈ ട്രയാങ്കിള് അതിൽ നമുക്കറിയാം ഈ ക്യൂയും പിയും ഈക്വൽ ആണ്. സോ ഫസ്റ്റ് വി ഗോട്ട് ദിസ്, ദെൻ എ ഇത് ആംഗിള്, നമ്മുടെ സൈഡ് ഇത് ഈ ആംഗിള്. ഈ മൂന്നാമത്തെ ആംഗിൾ എങ്ങനെ കിട്ടിയെന്ന് വെച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ, ഹൗ വി ഗോട്ട് ദ തേർഡ് ആംഗിൾ, or sorry, the second angle is by because L is the so L is the bisector of angle A. ഇവിടെ എല്ലിനെ പെർഫെക്റ്റ്ലി രണ്ട് ഈക്വൽ പാർട്ടായിട്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നു. Perfectly into two parts it has been divided. അതാണ് റീസൺ. സോ ആംഗിൾ, സൈഡ്, ആംഗിൾ വിച്ച് ഇസ് ASA. സോ ബൈ CPCT നമുക്കറിയാം we can prove BP is equal to BQ, and if we proved that BP is equal to BQ, we can also say that B is equidistant from arms of P and Q. Next question, other important one out. Next question, and there is a little bit to do. There is something to do. I'll draw the figure first. After this question and after the eighth question we will do property. Okay. So I will explain why I am doing the proof. Let me check whether the given figure is like this itself. Yeah. ഇതെല്ലാം ഒരു മസിൽ മെമ്മറിയാണ്. All these things. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ഇവിടെ നോക്കാം. ഇവിടെ these angles, first what we write is as per the question, angle BAD, this one, plus angle DAC, this one, is equal to angle BAC, this one, entire angle. Take this as equation number 1. Angle EAC means EAC, this one, is equal plus angle DAC is equal to angle EAD. From equation 1 and 2, this angle BAC is equal to angle see when we equate okay, so here we can write angle BAC is equal to angle DAC, because here BAD left out, then EAC and D and angle DAC. Wait. Angle DAC to angle DAE. How? See, this BAD, this DAC and DAC get cancelled. So BAD left out. Sorry. Yeah, EAD or DAE, that is term that we got. Like what we need to get is BA, this angle is equal to angle D, this angle. We got that. So the first thing to prove is the congruency. We know there is a triangle ABC and EAD. Which triangle? These two triangles. In these two triangles, we can prove by SAS. How? AC is equal to AE given, which means side AC is which side? AC, this is equal to AC is equal to AE. AC is equal to AE. This then angle BAC, the thing we proved, is equal to angle EAD or DAE. Then what? A is equal to AD given by SAS. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle EAD by SAS. Then S by CPCT, BC is equal to ED. Question 7. Next question, please write. Question 7. AB is a line segment and P is the midpoint. D and E are points on the same side of AB such that angle BAD is equal to angle BABE and angle EPA okay. That question. Given P is the midpoint, of AB. So that is AP is equal to BP. I'll draw the figure first, then you can understand easily. Okay, in this figure, this is A, P, B, D, E. It is given that AP is equal to BP, angle BAD is equal to angle ABE, angle BEPA is equal to angle DPA, DPB. So angle D, first I will mark BAD, angle, where is B? This is B, right? BAD, this one is equal to, where is A, B, this one, and EPA, this angle is equal. Okay. Proof. To prove, write on your own, because there is two things to be proved: the congruency and the CPCT. Here angle EPA plus so first plus DPB or EPD is equal to this is equal to angle APD AP where is equation number 1. So equals on the same side, which means angle EPD APD is equal to BPE. How ആണോ EPD cancel, APD cancel, APD BPE. Then in triangle APD and triangle BPE, what are given? Angle EPB, triangle D, APD given, AP is equal to BP, proved. How AP is equal to BP? Because P is the midpoint. Yes. Angle APD is equal to angle BPE. Like here EPB is equal to DAP, right? Yeah, DAP. Yeah. By ASA. The two triangles are congruent by ASA. Right? Isn't it? Okay. Then triangle APD congruent to triangle DPB by CPCT BE. Now the last question of the exercise 7.1. I think I started the session at, now it's been 1 hour, only 30 minutes. Yeah, started at 8, now it's 30 minutes into the session. We'll complete this and take a rest. So it's given in this figure, there are this is an most asked question in the question paper. I will share a question paper now. In that, after this we will solve the problems which are easy first. Okay, after this question, then property I think we will do. Given in right triangle ABC, M is the midpoint. M is the midpoint of AB, that is AM is equal to BM and CM is equal to DM. CM is equal to to prove, write all the things to prove a triangle AMC is congruent to triangle BMD, angle DBC is a right angle, everything, and proof. Before that, I have to show the figure, right? In every question, if it's lines and angles, or any it may be, please draw the figure. You are getting half marks for the figure. If you don't draw the figure also, if everything is wrong, then figure എഴുതിയിട്ട് കാര്യമൊന്നുമില്ല. But if everything is correct and you lost mark for figure, then that is bad, right? It's really bad. Okay, A, B, C, D. Here it is given that this is equal to this. Then AM, this is the midpoint. AM is equal to here, which the triangle AMC and DBC should be proved congruent. Wait. Small mistake what I did. No, it is here M. Okay. Now now what should I do? Sorry. What should I do? In triangle, I will prove. Before proving, I think right, these angles are vertically opposite angles, right? Angle 1 is equal to angle 2, vertically opposite angles. Consider DB parallel to AC and this angle DB parallel to AC, B is a transversal. This angle is equal to this angle by alternate interior angles. It is also said that right angle at C. Okay. Now in proof, in triangle AMC and BMD, ഈ ട്രയാങ്കിൾ ഇവിടെയും വരയ്ക്കണേ. ഓക്കെ, what can we say? AM is equal to BM. Very good. AM is equal to BM because M is the midpoint. Then CM is equal to DM. That is given, not because of the midpoint theorem. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2 vertically. Even though I wrote in the way like this, it's S A S. So write it as, by SAS congruency rule, triangle AMC congruent to triangle BMD and this AC is equal to BD. We can say that AC is also CCPCT. And we already proved that these two angles, but by CPCT we can also say that angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Then I think we took AMC LA. These two triangles we proved. Now next, second sub question. We have to prove that DBC is a right angle. How? AC and BD are lines. AC and BD are lines. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4 and is alternate interior angles. Then AC parallel to BD and BC is the transversal. Angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree by co-interior angles. See, if AC parallel to BD and BC is this transversal, you can just extend this if you want. No need, no construction. This angle is equal to this, supplementary. Co-interior angles are supplementary. Angle B plus 90 degree equal to 180 degree co-interior angles. You can again write reason. Angle B is equal to 190 degree minus 90 degree is equal to 90 degree. Angle B is a right angle. Now another triangle DBC. Here DBC and ABC. Okay. Or ACB, sorry. We already proved all this. AC is equal to DB. Angle B is equal to angle C, which is already proved. And BC is equal to BC common. By which theorem? SAS. And CD is equal to, now we have to prove that CM is equal to half AB. So CD is equal to AB, we know by CPCT. We derive from, you can write like this, from CD. So CD is equal to MD plus CM അല്ല MC അല്ലേ? So CD is equal to 2MC or CM. So CM is equal to half AD. ഇവിടെ MD, we know that MD is equal to MC. So MD is equal to, this is equal to is MC, MD or whatever. Then we can say that AM is equal to twice CM is equal to half of AB. That's the questions for the topic. Now questions. This is full of triangles only. There are 5 pages, which doesn't mean that this is a big question paper. Only 11 or 12 questions. MCQ only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions. This is in text question. Okay, so this PT2 thing, I will publish it in the community.